Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make cinematic video in Videoleap. Videoleap is a powerful video editing app that helps creators turn simple clips into professional videos. One popular editing style is the cinematic look, which makes video feel free scenes from a movie. Cinematic video usually includes widescreen framing, color grading, smooth transitions. So below is a step-by-step guide to make a cinematic video in the Videoleap. First, open to your Videoleap app on your device and simply choose one of the project, or you can also create a new one, as I'm going to select this project here and the draft. And once your videos gets in the timeline, what you can do is you can trim and arrange your clips. Simply tap a clip and drag the edges of the clip from the right to the left. To trim unwanted parts, arrange the clip on the order you want. Simply hold it and simply put it where you want to. And in the bottom you can find tons of tools. On the bottom right there's a more icon. Select the more icon and find this canvas. And here you can select any of the video ratio. But what you have to do is you need to select an aspect ratio such as 16:19. Tap on the 16:9 and this gives you video a wide movie style frame. And you can also add the transitions. Simply select to your clip here. On the bottom right, find to this transition here and select any of the transition that you want to put in. And after you finish editing, tap on the export icon in the top corner and save the video to your phone. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.